This one's dedicated to Yesenia and Brian. Seafood piccata recipe. Good for any type of fish. Haven't found one that I wasn't good with yet. Ingredients are in front of you there. Butter, chopped green onions, lemon, capers. In this case, it's some Pacific grouper. Some wine or white wine or beer or sake would work. Garlic powder, salt, pepper, and some flour. And the first thing you gotta do is you gotta get some flour. It's in a Ziploc bag to make it easy. I'm just gonna add pepper. It's branded Epere, by the way. It's not a affiliate or anything, just in a good pepper grinder. Salt. And some garlic powder. Give it a nice shake. You're done with that. Alright, we start off with the hot pan. Got about medium low to medium heat there. What we're going to do is we're going to throw a little avocado oil. Any neutral oil would work. Peanut oil would work. Vegetable oil would work. But avocado oil is supposed to be a little bit better for you, and once again, it's neutral. So now we've got the fish down in the pan and medium heat. We just want to brown it. The whole idea here is not to cook it all the way through. We want it about, I don't know, maybe a third to a halfway cook, because we're going to actually put it into the toaster oven. To finish it off before we apply the sauce on it. Alright, we see we're going to take the fish out. I mean, it's not even close to being done, maybe 30-40% done. But we're going to throw that over into our plate here. And that will go into a toaster oven at about 350 degrees while we're making the sauce. Alright, and we've got the pan on, same pan we cooked the fish in, so we're going to go ahead and start adding some stuff here. We'll add a little bit of lemon. Turn the heat off for a sec here to let it kind of cool off. Throw in our butter. White wine or any type of liquid you got. Deglaze. Throw in some kippers. Get the kipper juice. Green onions. We're just going to let it cook down and reduce. You probably noticed I haven't said anything about times to cook. Well, they really don't set times. You kind of need to know when things are done. For fish, at this point I've pulled the fish out, and I basically got a little trick for you. Your thumb and your fingers. Take your thumb and your forefinger. That's where it is right now, which isn't quite done. I want it somewhere in between middle finger and right somewhere in between there. Probably there when I'm actually done. So if you actually feel that, feel the difference. Not done, almost done, yeah, done. Alright, I've reduced this thing down. I'm going to go ahead and that so we can go ahead and throw that. sauce back over everything. I'm going to probably let that go for maybe another couple of minutes and then throw it underneath some more heat for maybe a couple more until the fish is ready and it's ready to serve.